Building owners, are you looking for a cost-effective, sustainable way to restore and extend the life of your built-up roof? Meet your solution, Ever-Crylic Acrylic Roof Restoration System. Ever-Crylic consists of a bleed block primer, seam reinforcement, and our 100% acrylic elastomeric membrane that adheres to a variety of substrates. The product is easily spray applied, spread with a squeegee, or roller applied. This fast and easy application means minimal downtime for your building, eliminating the need for expensive and disruptive tear-offs. That means no messy debris, no hidden surprises, and no costly code upgrades. Our cool roof coatings waterproof your roof while reflecting sunlight, reducing heat absorption, and lowering energy costs. Join the countless building owners who have discovered the proven benefits of acrylic roof coatings for schools, warehouses, or office buildings. The Ever-Crylic Roof Restoration System, the smarter, sustainable way to restore your roof.